overtaking a curve is a hard task for all truck drivers. Remember to observe the surroundings to avoid such a T-bone collision.
Never know what could happen with me.
Levels of stupidity seem to double at intersections.
Jesus, are you guys okay?
The moment you realize that your luck was on another level, they didn't expect this trip to give them a mud spa.
Oh my God.
In a heart-stopping moment, a semi-truck fishtailed and overturned, sending its cargo flying across the highway. Looks like someone's first time taking the wheel of a sports car. Bet lots of you scream when watching this scene. A very special guest is coming. These folks know nothing about social distancing. What a heart-stopping moment.
What? I got it. You guys bought it? I thought you didn't. I bought it.
Connecting to all-star emergency.
A common mistake in priorities when moving on the road. Which vehicles violate the traffic rules in this situation?
बॅक तेव्हा 11 तो 11चा झाला ना.
darkness can be deceiving. Drive defensively and be prepared.
Sorry.
What the hell? What the?
This is the consequence of those cutting off other vehicles.
I got. You guys bought it? I thought you didn't.
I bought it, but then
A lack of attention caused T-bone collisions seem inevitable in places that have no traffic lights. Can't believe how many avoidable accidents we are seeing. The red car looks fancy, yet the driver's skills are not. Lack of attention is the culprit of that crash.